in today's video, we are going to be taking this bowl that I got from the thrift store and turning it into a lampshade, a pendant light. This bowl retails for $60. Believe it or not, I don't know about you, but I would not pay $60 for a bowl. Also, pendant lights are very cool and unique, and I think that this will create a piece that is unlike any other. Usually I paint things, but this one I don't think I'm going to. I love the color. It's a brushed brass. So I'm going to leave it as is. I purchased this pendant light kit, which you can get at Michael's, for $16. Of course, I am cheap. I'm not going to pay that much. I did find a Joann's coupon for 60% off one regular priced item, which I used on this because I'm not going to pay full price. Michael's will honor Joann's coupons. They're one of the few craft retailers that actually honor competitors' coupons. So just a pro tip, use your coupons. So I'm going to be using this as our light, and then our drill bit is really important that you use a diamond tipped saw, hole saw bit. Again, a diamond tipped hole saw bit, because this is a ceramic bowl. It will break, it will crack if you use a regular drill bit. I'm taking a chance even with this regular drill bit in the middle, just because this is a cheap thrift store find. If it breaks or cracks, it's okay, but I'm going to be taking that risk. You want to go very, very slow with the drill. Don't push, don't shove, just let the drill do its work, and we'll see if this works out. I really hope this works, but the drill bit itself is a 1 3/8 drill bit, so there's that. And we're going to be using it. If you want to try this without this centered drill bit, it's less likely that the bowl will crack. The only thing is that the bit will kind of shake and spin without going straight down, unless you go in at an angle to start off with, very, very slight angle, and then go to drilling straight down. That way you won't leave all kinds of crazy lines everywhere. But let's see if this will work. I am going to use some water because this is ceramic, so use water on these, and we will see how this goes. And it is a 6-inch bowl. Okay. Here we go. This is gonna be so loud. So I ended up taking the bit out because it just was not working, was not drilling through. This thing is so hard. I can't believe how hard this bowl is. It'll be sturdy. Nice and slow. That scared me. I thought for sure it was going to break. Oh, we got it out. Here we go. It's all wet. Dry it off a little bit. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. Such a sturdy bowl. Had to cut it with diamonds, people. Alright, let's get our light. Make sure this works.
found out about on Twitter later. Guess I should pay more attention when there's tornadoes around. They see me rolling. They hate it.